Okay, today we're going to find the percent hydrogen in acetic acid. So we're doing percent composition. And this is by mass. Okay, so not simply by the number of atoms. Okay, and it would be the part over the whole times 100%. So same thing as math, I'm starting with that same verbiage, part over whole. Well, what is our part in this case? Hydrogen, because we're finding how much hydrogen in acetic acid. So it is the total mass of the hydrogens over the total mass of the whole molecule. So that would be acetic acid times 100%. Okay. Well, I don't know the total mass of the hydrogens. It might not be 1.01. That's only if there was only one hydrogen. So I have to figure out what acetic acid is. Well, I know if it's an acid, then it is a cation's hydrogen, and hydrogen has a +1 charge because it's in group 1. Acetic acid, ic, equals 8. So I know I'm crossing with acetate. So when I look on my poly sheet, I see C2H3O2 with a minus. So hydrogen and acetate cross together make acetic acid. Now I don't actually have to crisscross because they're both 1. As +1 minus 1 equals 0. So it's balanced. It's ionic acid. It's an ionic right off the bat. So we're okay right there. Okay. So now I go back to my formula. Total mass of hydrogens. How many hydrogens do I have? I have 4 hydrogens. And total mass of the acetic acid. 4 hydrogens, 2 carbons, and 2 oxygens. Even though the hydrogens are in 2 different places, they're still hydrogen. So if you wanted to keep it separate, you could, but I like to put it just all together as 1. So this is the part is hydrogen over the whole acetic acid. 4 hydrogens, 4 times 1.01 over 4 times 1.01 plus 2 times 12.01 plus 2 times 16.00. What's that going to give me? 4.04 on the top over 60.06 on the bottom. 4.04 divided by 60.06 times 100. Remember, you don't times it by 100% because percent just means that this is 1. 100% is equal to 100 over 100, which is equal to 1. So when you plug it into the calculator, it's 4.04 divided by 60.06 times just 100. And that gives me 6.7266 and so on percent. And so then I go back and think about, okay, I can use this as 3 sig figs as my least number. So 6.73% hydrogen in HC2H3O2. And then I'm done.